Have you ever wondered how life took place? How plants, animals, or even us humans have formed? And what we are made of? We're made of minute cells. Some are unicellular, like amoeba. Some are multicellular, like flowers, animals, etc. Every single organism, even the mightiest of the elephants or the largest banyan tree, starts life with a single cell. This single cell multiplies itself and divides itself to form into a completely functioning living organism. So now you know that the cell is the basic unit of life, both structurally and functionally. No wonder cells are called as the building blocks of life. But who discovered these cells? Who knew that all of life starts with a single cell? Well, there's an interesting history behind this. Anthony von Leeuwenhoek discovered a microscope with a single biconvex lens. And he looked through the footweb of a frog and observed its blood cells in its capillaries. He instantly knew that these are the living units in all of living beings, although he did not call them cells. In 1660, Robert Hooke developed another microscope using two biconvex lenses. Now this is known as the compound microscope. Through this microscope, he observed a thin slice of a dead cork, and he could see a cluster of box-like cubicles inside it. And for some reason, that reminded him of the cells in a monastery where monks meditate, and thus he called them cells. What's interesting is that the word cell is derived from a Latin word called cella, which means compartment. What Robert Hooke observed were the walls of dead cells that had once surrounded the living portion. Now this living substance is called the protoplasm. This protoplasm has two portions, cytoplasm and nucleus, and the branch that deals with the study of cells is called cytology. So what have we learned today? We have learned about cell, the different types of cell, and the discovery of cell. Well, until next time, happy learning!